Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see an instant and delicious halwa within 10 minutes using leftover rice. The taste and texture of this exactly looks like a wheat halwa and no one could figure it out that we did this using leftover rice. Then what are we waiting for? Come on, let's get started. For making this recipe, first we need 1.5 cups of cooked rice, totally 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 3/4 cup of jaggery powder, 1/4 cup of sugar for caramelizing. First, we need to add the cooked rice with 1/4 cup of water in a blender and blend them to a fine paste and keep it aside. Next, add the jaggery powder in a hot pan and pour half cup of water and mix them well. Once jaggery got dissolved in the water and starts to boil, switch off the flame. No need for string consistency and strain them to a bowl and keep it aside. Third step is we need to add 2 tablespoons of rice flour in 1/4 cup of water and mix them well without any lumps. Before switching on the flame, in a frying pan, add the strained jaggery syrup and add the blended rice paste and mix them well without any lumps. Remember, don't switch on the flame before mixing it. Now, switch on the flame and mix them well for a couple of minutes. Next, add the rice flour water which we prepared earlier and mix them well. After it gets to a thick consistency, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. This is enough for making this halwa. If you wish, you may add 1 more spoon, but 1 spoon is enough. After it comes to a halwa consistency, add some cashews and give them a stir. After that, keep the flame in low and in a separate burner we are going to caramelize the sugar. For that, add 1/4 cup of sugar with 1 tablespoon of water and mix them well continuously. After about a couple of minutes, the color changes to light brown, but we need dark brown color, so keep on stirring. And when you get the desired dark brown color, switch off the flame and pour them into the halwa. This step not only gives the color but also gives some shine for the halwa. When it comes out of the pan, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix them well. After that, switch off the flame and transfer to a greased pan or silicone mold like this. Today I am going to make both the shapes so the kids also will enjoy. After transferring this to a pan, give them a shake and level them up with a spatula or spoon and leave them to cool completely. Now transfer to a plate and put them into pieces and enjoy. It will be so easy to take it out since we grease the mold. It will be so soft and melt in your mouth like a jelly. No one could figure it out that this is prepared using rice. Do try this recipe in your home and enjoy with your family. Happy cooking, friends! If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you all in the next video. Bye bye. Stay safe.